In my today's tutorial, I will show you how to make this very cool boho style bun stick or jura stick using cotton fabric, cardboard, cowrie shell, tassels and wooden peacock thread beads. So I hope you will like this tutorial. Hi, I'm Shobori from Hooked in Loops. Welcome back to my channel. We a cardboard piece cut out in the shape of a ring, a long thin strip of cotton fabric and fabric glue. We will apply glue on top of the cardboard and then just wrap the cotton fabric around the ring in this manner till you reach the other end, and at the end simply cut out the extra piece of the cotton fabric and stick it to the ring in this manner. So our base is ready. We will now start decorating our work. We will use jump ring and pass it through the fabric. Make hole in the fabric using safety pin or anything that's pointed and pass the cowrie shell through the jump ring and close it using pliers. Similarly, we will attach the tassels and other cowrie shells and the lower portion is ready. We will take an eye pin and pass the top portion in this manner. The eye pin will have a loop at the bottom portion. Decorate the eye pin with thread beads and peacock and form a loop at the top portion. We will now attach a jhumka at the lower portion of the eye pin using jump ring. And finally, we will pass an eye pin through the hole of the jura stick and pass it through the loop of the eye pin and close it using pliers, and our beautiful bun stick or jura stick is ready, and it is looking very beautiful and colorful and just suitable for this festive season. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Make this, use this or sell this. This is really pretty.